pé happy birthday daddy happy birthday ẹ túbọ̀ ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé.
All right, at this junction.
Ìkòròdú bá ti lọ jókòó báyọ̀ láyà nílé ètò ìwọ́sọ́kè bímọ o.
Ẹni tí wọ́n bá fi tẹ́lá tí ọba àfọwọ́ àpò lọ́rùn. All right, thank you so much. We haven't seen much of a time. All right, I recognize the presence of Bani. Ìṣẹ̀lá Yẹ́kẹ́ ẹ máa bọ̀ lókè. Ẹ máa bọ̀ ẹ̀rọ bá sẹ́yìn láti ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa bọ̀.
Ẹ lọ sórí àìsègùn.
Ẹ máa bọ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀lá Yẹ́kẹ́ lọ́ṣẹ̀ máa bọ̀. Bani Yẹ́kẹ́. Okay.
Ṣé ẹ ti ya àwòrán ìtọ́ pẹ̀lú
Thank you, sir. I recognize Bani Ọ̀gábẹ̀lò.
ẹ ṣe lábẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ ṣe sà ẹ káàbọ̀ sà kárí yín pẹ́ sà kárí pẹ́ lórí nígbà tá a pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ ṣe gan sà.
Madam Shine, behind a successful house, there is always a successful woman.
Ó ní ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn
We have waited a lot. Madam Shine, she's supposed to be here.
ẹ jọ kí ọ̀gá mi lè fọwọ́ sókè ní.
She ń tọ́wọ́ láti mọ́ sọ.
Ìgbésẹ̀ àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò Alhaji Abdul Wasiu lọ́jọ́ àlékélé
Ẹ máa bọ̀.
Bani Adétọ́yọ̀
Ẹ máa bọ̀.
àti àbúrò Alhaji
take your pictures. All the children of the center. children. Children are taking their pictures now. Oh no!
Smile, Alhaji Sanni, Madam Million, where is the woman that is supposed to bring these fireworks?
The department has said, I am 100% with you. Just please make sure you are ready. You are taking very good time from your time. And when you are playing, you just fire it on.
Let the woman with the fireworks come forward.
Instructions.
That's it. When you come back, we keep Pastor Till Musaya.
Choreographers, once you are done.
Pastor Musaya, àwọn the right hand man dáàdì lónìí. Wọ́n jókòó tí wọ́n nínú ẹ̀mí àti nínú ara. Agbára yóò ní dòbòsà. Àlékún agbára.
Wọ́n lọ wá tán. Ẹ̀dẹ́ bíbí.
Ọmọ onípọ̀mọ́ special.
Bíbí wọ́n pè wá. Bíbí. Ẹ̀wẹ̀pẹ̀ bíbí. Ọ̀fẹ́ àwọn
ọmọ ẹ̀sìn. Ṣé Citizens Club are we good?
ẹ̀yin bàbá onípọ̀mọ́ fún lówó.
Alhaji Giwa. Ẹ ṣe sà.
Let us give microphone.
Alhaji Giwa, please present your gift.
Present the gift. The president himself. Alhaji Giwa.
Citizen Club. Yeah, Alhaji, ẹ kú oríire yìí. Ẹ̀mí aṣàkóso ẹ̀dá ìlà gbọ́dọ̀ lọ. Ẹ ṣe 7, ẹ ṣe 80, ẹ ṣe 90, ẹ ṣe 100, ẹ ṣe nígbàdúgbà gbọ́dọ̀ lọ. Ẹ wá ní fojúsùn ayò ìgbìmọ̀ ilé gbọ́dọ̀ lọ́wọ́. Ó àdáwọlé àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́wọ́ bá akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó bọ̀ máa yọ ọ́. Ẹgbẹ́ Citizen Club of Nigeria àpẹsẹ̀ntì ẹ̀bùn kékeré fún yín fún àjọbí ẹ̀fọ́ ọjọ́ ìbí ẹ̀ṣọ́ pẹ̀lú Nàìjíríà.
Ẹ bá pàṣẹ every Citizens Club.
Thank you so much.
Any other people out there talking to the celebrants? All right, àwọn yẹn ṣe ń bẹ́ ń bọ̀. Wọ́n ṣe ń bẹ́ ń
Tí a
bọ̀.
bá ní gift ẹ máa mú bọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀.
Bíbí wọ́n ṣe ń bọ̀.
Anna.
Alright, our Nima Showers residents. They are presenting their gift. If you also have gifts, please you can come with them now before the band then starts to play. If you have gifts, you can bring the gifts now.
This is beautiful.
Princess. Hello.
Anna. Okay, where is the lady that's supposed to release this thing?
President
we present to you this club for your own goodness and well-being on the occasion of your 70th birthday. We wish you a happy celebrations.
Gifts are coming.
If you are a new place, club.